Hello guys, this is Bhagesh Codebeast and this video is specifically for all the front-end developers out there. So what we are going to see today is a list of Chrome plugins which will make your life so much easier if you're a front-end developer or front-end web designer. So let's just dig into this. So the first tool we'll be looking at is called full page screen capture. So what this will help us in doing is that it will capture a screenshot of your current page in entirely and reliably without requesting any extra permissions. So consider I have readme.md file open here of one of my GitHub repository. This is too big for me to save it as image. If I have to save it as an image, the usual thing would be take multiple screenshot of each section of this page, stitch them together. That's one way. The other way would be make a PDF, press Ctrl P, save it as a PDF, and then convert that PDF into image. So what you can do, just in case if you want to keep a reference of this website and build a clone for this, all you have to do is download the full page screen capture plugin, and all you have to do is click on this once and it will just scroll automatically and take a screenshot of your entire page, the whole length of it. You can zoom in to see if it has captured all of it. You also get the option to say download it as a PDF or download it as a PNG. You can also change the type of image format into JPG and also the size of the PDF. Next tool in our list is Page Ruler Redux. It is a web developer designer ruler to get perfect pixel dimensions and positioning to measure elements on a web page. So the way you use it is once you have downloaded this plugin, let me just go back to my Instagram account. Make sure to follow me here. My Instagram ID is Bhagesh_artbeast. So all you have to do is click on the Page Ruler Redux once and it will toggle bar where you will be able to see width, height, left margin, top, right, bottom, as well as the color of the element which you have chosen. So all you have to do is click and drag over the element and adjust the arrows to identify dimensions of that element. You can also automate this process by moving to the leftmost corner where there are two angle brackets. You just have to hover over and it will show you enable element mode. Click on it once and the tracking mode is on. So all you have to do now is hover over the element and it will automatically detect the dimension of the element which you are hovering over. For example, if I hover over my profile picture, it will show you the width, height, and all of those properties of this CSS element. You can either turn it off by toggling this off, or just click on the angle bracket section again and it will go off, and you can close it by clicking on this cross. Okay, the next tool in our list is SVG Grabber. It's a tool to quickly preview, get all the SVG assets from a website. Let me go to my Twitter account. All you have to do is go to the SVG Grabber. Once you have it installed, just click once and you'll have all of the SVG elements from the websites. You can download them individually or all at once. This will make the process of hunting for SVGs much more simpler when you know a certain website has it and you don't know the name of it or which style is it and where to access it from. Even if you don't have access to a quality SVG elements, you can just go to a website, grab all the SVGs and download them right from here using this tool. The next tool in our arsenal is called CSSViewer. It basically, as the name suggests, gives us a summary of all the CSS properties which we are currently hovering over. So once you have it installed, just go to any website and click once on the CSS Viewer plugin. It will give a pop-up as to the CSS Viewer has been loaded, and all you have to do is hover over the element to find out the CSS property. For example, I want to find out the CSS property of this element, which is a button for home. All I have to do is press on letter F and it will lock the CSS property of that element. Now I can just scroll down to find out the font text, color background, box, positioning, and all other effects and stuff which CSS element would have. And you instead of inspecting that element, this can be an easy way out. Even when you inspect a certain element, there is a limited amount of information in that tiny screen. This is an easy way to find out properties of a specific element on a website. And to undo this, click escape and it will go back to the normal state. The next tool in our list is called CSS Peeper. This again is a tool to extract CSS and identify the properties of specific elements on the website, but it does so much more. So the way to use this is, once you have it installed, just click on it once and they'll instantly grab all the contents from the website which is open. For example, profile picture and the name and the fonts, the heading, the body style, and the size of the CSS file and the time it will take to load. It again works on the principle that if you hover over a specific element, you can find out the properties about it. For example, if I clicked on this icon, it will give me the size along with the font family, the size along with the colors. It will also give you the extra properties like what kind of a box shadow it has, the radius of the box. Going back to section about colors, if I come down to the section which is besides general, which says color, if I click on this, it will give me a list of all the colors which are present on this current website. So you can directly copy the color from here, or you can just copy the text from here. The next section besides color is known as assets. It will give you all the assets which are present in the website, ranging from SVGs to the pictures to the loading images. You can download them individually or export them in the HTML file. So these were the top 5 Chrome plugins for front-end developers. That's all for this video. This is Bhagesh Codebeast signing out. Thanks for watching.